Hi, this is Leslie Messina, aka Ndaramo on Mubango, aka Bongo Sikumalo on the executive, and aka Gabriel Masite on Luna Meva, and a whole lot of other shows that people have watched me on. I just want to say to all the drum readers out there that Merry Christmas and have a fabulous 2023. It's going to be really absolutely amazing and absolutely awesome. And thank you so much to all my followers. Thank you so much. I've been saying that 2022 has been a great year so far. Doing all these shows, The Executive, and there's another show that I'm doing currently. Well, just watch the space. It's gonna come out. I think it comes through in February of 2023. So 2023 is gonna be an even amazing year.
Kabe with the drum reader Sinope. Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. I hope you will take this time to reconnect with family, to find self, and have a beautiful 2023. I love you all and thank you for the journey. Thank you for supporting me through and through. And yes, I pray you well.
Hi mi navelela khisimusi lerinene lero tsakisa swinene xikwembu xi mi katekisa xi mi sirhelela ka hinkwaswo leswo biha hi vito ra hosi ya hina Yesu Kreste hi ri ha mi rhandza swinene ngopfu mi hlayiseka hi kota ku tlhela hi vonana loko mi ya tsema lembe hi vonana ka lembe leri taka.
Hello, Rani Chwene, Manoko on Giyani, Land of Blood. I would like to wish all the drum readers a beautiful and wonderful holidays. I said, please take care of yourself, be safe, and see you soon.
Hello, drum readers. This is Wiseman Zita, actor and also a model. I'm just here to say thank you so much for the support that you guys have been showing to us creatives. We really appreciate that. And also to wish you guys a fabulous, happy, not a new year yet, but a Christmas and also a coming new year. We love you.